Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Fatma here, your favorite Arabic teacher. I'm here to teach you Arabic in an easy way. So if you're interested in learning Arabic, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this kind of videos, please like it. Let's start our lesson.
A few moments later.
In this video, we're going to learn vocabulary, grammar, and conversation. Let's start. The first word that we're going to learn is udkhul. Udkhul, which means come in. We use it for male. What about for female? udkhuli, udkhuli, udkhul, udkhuli. تفضل, udkhul. Come in, please. تفضل, udkhul. تفضل, udkhul. We use it for male. What about for female? تفضلي, udkhuli. تفضلي, udkhuli. Please. رجان, رجان. Sit down. اجلس, اجلس. We use it for male. What about for female? اجلسي, اجلسي. Please sit down. اجلس رجاء, اجلس رجاء. Open. افتح, افتح. We use it for male. What about for female? افتحي, افتحي. I want to say I open the book. أنا أفتح الكتاب. أنا أفتح الكتاب. Read. اقرأ, اقرأ. We use it for male. What about for female? اقرأي, اقرأي. I want to say I read. أنا أقرأ, أنا أقرأ. I understand. أفهم, أفهم. We want to say do you understand? We're going to say هل تفهم, هل تفهم. We use it for male. What about for female? هل تفهمين, هل تفهمين. When somebody says هل تفهم or هل تفهمين, you're gonna respond نعم أنا أفهم. Yes, I understand. نعم أنا أفهم. Or you say لا أنا لا أفهم. No, I don't understand. This is the first lesson. هذا الدرس الأول. هذا الدرس الأول. هذا here means this. درس means lesson. أول means the first. Allow us. اسمح لنا, اسمح لنا. Allow me. اسمح لي, اسمح لي. We start. نبدأ, نبدأ. I want to say now we start. الآن نبدأ, الآن نبدأ. Or we can say نبدأ الآن, نبدأ الآن. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video till now, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Guys, in this video I told you everything about Arabic subjects and the differences between Arabic subjects and English subjects. Guys, you don't have to memorize it right now, just listen to me carefully, okay? And repeat it again and again. You're gonna learn it.
2,000 years later.
أنا أفهم, أنا أفهم. نحن نفهم, نحن نفهم. هو يفهم, هو يفهم. He understands. هي تفهم, هي تفهم. She understands. هما يفهمان, هما يفهمان. هم يفهمون, هم يفهمون. They understand. هما تفهمان, هما تفهمان. هن يفهمن, هن يفهمن. أنت تفهم, أنت تفهم. أنت تفهمين, أنت تفهمين. أنتما تفهمان, أنتما تفهمان. أنتم تفهمون, أنتم تفهمون. أنتن تفهمن, أنتن تفهمن.
Several bad puns later.
Guys, our lesson has finished. I don't want to tell you that verbs in Arabic are easy. No, it's not. Everything that you need is repeating, repeating, and repeating. Write down everything that I told you in this lesson and repeat it every day. It takes time, but it'll work. Subscribe for more.